fights for the rebound, wins the battle, lead feed to Hayes to the front court. He'll lob it to Dekker, goes up and sends it down hard with the right hand. Thought he overshot him, but Sam on the elevation spikes it with the right hand. Franks puts it on the floor, right of the lane, right block, up in traffic, missed it. Rebound fought for, Dekker has it, out to Jackson. Trey at the top, goes to BRUST for three in the lead, got it! And BRUST for three! Badgers lead by 2. Arizona's lead is 1, 48-47. Jackson to the free throw line, whips it to Kaminsky for three in the lead, good! Kaminsky for three. 50-48 Wisconsin, 4:25 remaining.
Artist one-on-one against Gossett. Taking a run at DUKAN, and it's gone the other way.
And I don't know if you looked at that basketball, but it goes in on this drive. But this is a terrific defensive stay right there. That is a classic charge.
Ben BRUST 2-on-1. Ben drives to the lane, goes up with a dunk and missed it. Trey Jackson trying to save, and he does to Sam Dekker. A lob into Kaminsky, and he'll send it down with 2 hands. It counts.